And then come down here. The garage is a mess. So what is Tropicool Roof, right? It's Henry's Tropicool, I believe it's called. Well, it's a rubber coating, I guess you want to call it. This is what it is. It's just real thin. This is about what's on the camper. It's about 2 coats, and it's very flexible. It feels like a piece of rubber. All right, so I'm cleaning out the garage because let's be real, it's a disaster, right? So I'm cleaning out the garage. The camper's been outside in Florida sun all day. It's pretty warm today. So let's see what the temperature is. See if the Tropicool roof is actually working like it should. All right. So you can see that or not. The side of the camper, I can't see because of the sun. It's 107. Yeah. 100. About 109. I put my hand in, it's still cool to the touch. That's kind of warm actually. So temperature wise, I don't know, it's 10 degrees cooler, but however, the Tropicool roof is really cold to the touch. No, not cold, cool to the touch. I can leave my hand here all day. The metal, I cannot. That's pretty flipping warm, actually. So I'm not sure how that works, that it's cool to the touch. It's really cool to the touch. I can put my hand on it, but it's still 100 degrees. And the camper is hot. One more try. That says 93. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's 93. What's that say? 106. Hands really wear. It is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Plastic snack. Oh, it's still warm. 102. 96. 97. I mean, still cool to the touch, so I'm not sure if that's going to translate to cooler inside, but it's sealed, and we'll see what happens. So you guys like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. I'm not sure if this is, I'm not sure if the Tropicool is going to actually help in the summer, but I mean, it's 10 degrees cooler, but it's, again, it's cool to the touch. I'm not sure how it's only 10 degrees cooler, but I could leave my hand on it all day. So if you have any ideas how this stuff works, leave me a comment. Until next time, see you later.